Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive love reading. So if you're going through any relationship, situationship or marriage, this reading is for you. This is going to be from February 24th till the March 2nd. So if you have any question on your mind, ask it and you will get to know. Now I do have important announcement to make at the end of the video, so kindly stay till the end. Let's begin. Your cards are already out. You've got the Six of Spades and the Knight card. And you've got the Apprentice and the Moon card. I do see that you're in a no contact situation, some sort of separation, breakup, and even going through a divorce. I do see you have very kind energies, very giving energies. You want to give love, you want to protect this relationship, you don't want a breakup, you want a patch up, you want you're even giving them gifts, you're also trying to win them back, but it's not happening. I also see with the Apprentice here, you're ready to give your 100%, and maybe you have been giving your 100% to this relationship, but it still did not work. Why is that? Because this person here does not want a patch up, not because they don't love you or anything, but because their intentions were never to love you, right? So even if this person in the past showed you that they love you, I don't think they ever did. They never loved you. Their intentions were never pure towards you. So if you're already married to this person, if you're in a relationship with this person wants you to run after them. This person might even be forcing you in some way to accept the mistakes that they have made, or so that they can extract something for you. This person could be after your money. This person could be after your fame, or just to spoil your reputation. I do see some sort of hidden intention, not pure intention, not good intention towards you. So you have to be very, very careful in the last week, because somebody is trying to use you and abuse their power and their relationship, right, to get to you. Now this person can be your spouse or partner, this person can be the in-laws or your own family, and this can be the friends as well. So you have to be very, very careful in the last week of February and even in the first week of March, because there is somebody who doesn't have good intentions, right? I don't just see a physical distance, which means you could be in a long distance. I also see emotional distance between the two of you, which means that you're not able to feel the energies of each other, because the mental telepathy that used to work, now it's not working. That's because it is also a card of delusional. It is also a card that says that you are too trusting of this person, or you never notice the red flags. You always believe the goodness of the other person, but it was never it. This is also a card of intuition and dreams, which means your dreams will be communicating to you. They will be telling you something. It also means that you have to listen to your intuition. So if your intuition is saying that this person is not good, no matter what everyone else is saying, you don't have to trust that person. So I do see hidden intentions. I do see people using you. You have to be very, very careful, Sagittarius. The last week, it's a card of warning. It's a card of caution. Please do not blindly give money to people away. Do not give your trust away. Do not give your property away, because it's never gonna come back. All right. So now, if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now coming to the information, coming to the news, I would like to tell you that the new moon is happening on the February 27th, which is a perfect time for rituals. So I do readings and rituals as well. And if you would like to book one, you can always email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram me as well. Now please guys, follow me on Instagram as well, because you will get all the updates of whatever is happening on my YouTube channel first over there. Okay, if you still have doubts, you can book a reading regarding this reading, your career, or anything else. Or if you feel blockage in your life, if you feel stuck in your life, you can book a ritual. Please book it now, because the ritual starts morning 27th. So you have to be booking it now. Okay, guys, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.